2003 Ford Crown Victoria. Really beautiful car. Police Interceptor. P71. What we got done on it, he's got factory converters there and there. Then he brought his own secondary converters. One there. One there. FLOWMASTer 2220124. If you guys want them, we'll have a link in the description. Then he's brought his own X pipe also. We've installed that for him. We'll have a link in the description also. Can't say description today for some reason. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into two DYNOMAX race bullets. One here, part number 24215. Then custom 2.5-inch tailpipes there and there, all the way back. And there, all the way back into 4-inch roll tips, Marauder look, which I don't blame them. They look really nice when you do that to them. There and there. And this is the system, everything we cut off right here. He just put something together just to get it here. So, be honest with you, that's not too bad at all. I like what he did. But that's what we did. So we'll let you guys see it and hear it in a second. 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. Beautiful car. Got 4 converters there and there. Then an H-pipe factory. And then we put some Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. One on each side. Deleted the original mufflers. There and there. Then Y-pipes. And we put some Marauder tips on it. There and there with custom hangers. Let you guys see it. 4-inch tips. Come out really clean. Really beautiful car. He's still working on it, so he's going to make it full Marauder. He's going to get a Coyote motor in it to put in it, custom. Let you guys hear it today. 2005 Mercury Grand Marquis. What we got done on it for you today. It's got factory 4 converters there and there. Then we true dueled it all the way back and back and keep going and back all the way into 4-inch roll tips there and there. If you don't think that looks pretty, you don't know. I don't know what planet you guys are living on. It's beautiful. Absolutely magnificent with those 4-inch tips right there. There it is. True dueled all the way back. This is what we cut off of it right there. The muffler and Y-pipe setup, right? See my finger? There. This was gonna be 105, guys. Let's see. That's smooth. Especially that X-pipe, man, smooths the sound out a lot. Oh yeah. That's beef. Again? There's sound decibels. Again? You're exactly right, dude. 105. That's awesome. Yeah, you've been watching our videos, you know. That's awesome. Those tips are perfect for it too, man. They look so good. Does Pops approve? Yeah. He approves. Heck yeah. That sounds so sick. I like it. That's one of the smoothest ones we've done where it's not raspy. Right, yeah. Most of them we straight pipe. Again? And those DYNOMAX bullets, man, they never disappoint. They always sound so good. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. That's what you want. Not too loud, not too quiet. I like it. Sound decibels? About 101. Perfect. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. The look is perfect, man. I like it. Those are 4-inch tips, by the way. That's why they fill up that gap really nicely. Yeah. Oh, that's clean. I like it. Look, here it is up on the side. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sound decibels. Again. 112, bro. Wow, that's not bad. Skymuffler, can you hold, please? Mercury, Marquis. One more. Or Crown Vic, Police Interceptor, P71, complete dual system, X-pipe, DYNOMAX race bullets, 4-inch tips, roll. Go get 'em! Marquis, beast.